Yeah, good. You did it.
When he goes car in tunnel? You're going car in tunnel, Daddy?
I don't have a car.
Can you get the red car, Daddy?
I don't know where it is.
Maybe it's downstairs. The red car is downstairs, Daddy.
It is. I don't want to go downstairs.
When the pens go in the tunnel, Daddy?
Yeah, the pens will go in the tunnel.
What's
it?
Daddy?
Yeah, it is.
See, the tunnel is
The tunnel's too small for the train.
See, the tunnel is too small.
Atlas, what about Atlas? What about the
Oh.
baby train in the living room?
Where are the baby trains? Why don't you go get a baby train? Yeah, you brought the baby James.
That's the James. That's Thomas.
Yeah. Let me see there. Oh, I see. Careful, you're going to fall out of my lap. There he is. He's in the tunnel.
She's in tunnel.
Yeah.
Woo, woo,